In the first round match this week, at the National Bank Open presented by Rogers, she defeated Parza Diaz, 6'3", 6'4". She's the winner of 7 Australian Opens, a 6-time U.S. Open champion, a 7-time Wimbledon champion on the grass in London, a 3-time National Bank Open champion. Please welcome from the United States of America, Serena Williams.
Get that fire.
I would like to know what it was like for you to take the court tonight and what the reaction has been to you so far.
Yeah, it was a lot of emotions. Obviously, I love playing here. I've always loved playing here. And yeah, it was... I wish I could have played better, but Belinda played so well today. But I just, yeah, it's been a pretty interesting 24 hours. Thank you. I love y'all. It's just been so memorable, you know. Like I said in my article, I'm terrible at goodbyes, but goodbye. Toronto! Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's been a joy playing in front of you guys all these years, so thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Serena Williams.
Serena, don't run too far away. We're not done.